and welcome to Trippin Chechi. Hi, this is Cathy and welcome to the show. This is where you get to see everything funny that happens while you're traveling, before you're traveling, and after you're traveling. Today's episode, we're going to talk about solo traveling and making friends. Solo traveling is something that everybody's doing now. We're all talking about it. You want to go out there and see a new place on your own and explore it and make friends. Well, that might not happen. And this is why. Number one skill you must have if you want to make friends is the skill to dance. And if you don't have it, you might just fall in one of these categories. This is the first guy. The guy who's shy and doesn't know what to do, but would like to dance. This is the opposite of that guy who loves dancing. And the last one is the guy who just can't dance even if he wanted. All of you three guys or girls, you look creepy. Nobody's coming anywhere near you. Number two, if you want to make friends and you want to show that you're interested in someone or attracted, have a decent way of expressing that. Mostly, this is what people do. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so hot. If you think you look attractive, you just look creepy. Number three, you need the skill to strike a conversation. Usually what happens to people is by the time they have the courage to ask a question, it's time for the bus to go. By the time you understand what they said with their heavy accent, it's again the time for the bus to go. And by the time they understand what you said with your heavy accent, it's again time for the bus to go. If you like this video, remember to click like, subscribe to our channel and press the notification icon because you'll get notifications on all the videos that we're posting. If you have similar funny travel stories, then remember to write it in the comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.